emergency lights are located above the emergency exit doors and exit areas on the ceiling. The path lights are located through the aisle. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tag into the buckle and tighten. To unfasten, lift up the metal flap on the buckle and pull apart. For children under 2 years of age, baby belts are distributed by cabin crew. In case of pressure loss, oxygen masks will drop from the panel above your seat. In this case, pull the nearest mask towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband and breathe normally. Put on your mask first before helping your child or others. If the oxygen masks are dropped, you should remove the face mask before putting on the oxygen mask. Your life vest is located under your seat. When instructed, remove the vest from the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, bring the belt around your waist, and fix the belt until it is tight. To inflate, pull down red tag as shown. If the vest does not inflate, you might use the mouthpiece for inflation. A light is provided to attract attention. Inflate your vest when you leave the aircraft. If we do have to evacuate, you must leave all items and hand luggage behind to prevent blocking the exits. Civil aviation regulations require passenger compliance with crew member instructions, fasten seatbelt signs, all other illuminated information signs and placards. Our family here at Pegasus Airlines wishes you a pleasant flight.
Düzenlemeler uyarınca idari para cezası uygulanacağını bildirir. Anlayışınız için teşekkür ederiz. Şimdi lütfen koltuk ceplerinde yer alan ve emniyetiniz için önemli ilave bilgiler içeren emniyet kartınızı inceleyiniz.
Değerli misafirlerimiz ve sevgili çocuklar, Türkiye'nin en yeni uçaklarına sahip Pegasus Hava Yolları'nın Nazen'de isimli Airbus 321 uçağına hoş geldiniz. Berlin için uçuş süremiz yaklaşık 2 saat 55 dakika olacaktır. Ben kabin amirimiz Evren ve ekip arkadaşlarım iyi uçuşlar dileriz. Dear guests and children, Pegasus Airlines, home to the youngest fleet in Turkey, would like to welcome you on board our Airbus A321 named after Nazen'de. Flight time to Berlin will be 2 hours 55 minutes. My name is Eren. I'm the senior cabin crew on this flight. My crew and I wish you a pleasant flight.
Cabin safety regulations, smoking, including the use of electronic cigarette devices, is strictly prohibited on our flights, and smoke detectors are installed in the aircraft lavatories. Please keep your seatbelt fastened, remain seated, do not open overhead bins, and observe the exit sequence during the boarding. Failure to comply with these rules will result in an administrative fine imposed by the General Directorate of Civil Aviation in accordance with applicable regulations. We appreciate your understanding. Now, please review the safety card located in your seat pocket, which contains important additional information for your safety.
Dear guests, in your seat pocket you will find safety cards.